I'm going to tell you 10 important facts you need to know before you start the keto diet. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 10. Eating keto doesn't have to be more expensive. Carbs are cheap fillers, so when you replace them with keto-friendly foods such as meat, cheese, and fresh vegetables, it's easy to assume your grocery bill will go up. However, due to how satiating the keto diet is, you'll find that you need less food to feel full, so changes to your grocery bill can be minimized with proper meal planning. Number 9. Keto can treat some medical conditions. The keto diet isn't just being used to make people thinner, it's also an effective treatment for certain medical conditions. Very low carbohydrate ketogenic diets have long been used to reduce seizure frequency. The ketogenic diet is being used to treat patients who have cancer or diabetes. It has also been shown to minimize and eliminate seizures in some patients. Number 8. Going keto can impact your workouts. You may lose some strength and endurance at the beginning of your keto diet. This is because your body is used to burning carbs for fuel and it suddenly doesn't have that option anymore. As it adjusts to burning fat, you'll notice that your workout capacity will return to normal, and you may even notice that your athletic performance improves once your body is fully keto adapted and burning fat for fuel. Number 7. Tummy trouble. Switching to a high-fat diet can cause some gastrointestinal issues for some people. This can be in the form of both extremities, diarrhea and constipation. This is usually temporary and will resolve itself when the body adjusts to consuming higher amounts of fat. If you take any keto supplements that contain MCT oil, it's best to start with half of the recommended serving size and consume it slowly. Number 6. Keto Breath, also known as dragon breath, describes the bad breath frequently associated with the keto diet, which is caused by ketones and excess protein consumption. When your body switches to burning fat as a primary source of fuel, your body starts producing ketones, which is released in the breath. This is typically more noticeable when beginning a ketogenic diet. A standard keto diet should contain only 20% from protein, so adjusting your protein intake should do the trick. Number 5. The Keto Flu. This describes a flu-like feeling that hits some people in the beginning of starting the keto diet. This can happen for 2 reasons. One, as your body switches from carb burning to fat burning, your brain may run low on energy, leading to nausea, headaches, and grogginess. 2, you're dehydrated and low on electrolytes because the keto diet causes you to urinate more frequently. The keto flu is a good sign you're headed in the right direction. Number 4, ketosis varies by person. Achieving ketosis is different for everyone. It can happen quickly for some, slowly for others. Some may do it only via diet. Some may need supplements. There's no right or wrong way to get into ketosis. It's completely healthy to take exogenous ketones to achieve ketosis faster or stay in ketosis. Or if one day you eat more carbs than usual, drinking 1 or 2 servings of a ketone supplement can help you feel better. Number 3, keto can be customized. The ketogenic diet, generally speaking, is 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrates, but daily carb intake can vary from 20 grams to 50 grams depending on how your body processes carbs. There's no magic number of carbs that'll get you into ketosis. If you're not losing fat or unable to get into ketosis at 50 grams, keep dropping your carb macros until you achieve the results you want. Number 2, keto requires time. You'll hear about keto success stories where fat starts to melt off almost immediately. Those cases are typically associated with people who have a lot of fat to lose. In general, the more you have to lose, the faster it'll come off at the beginning. Another thing to keep in mind is that slow and steady loss is healthier, more sustainable, and more likely to stay off. So be patient with yourself. Number 1, keto is more than a diet, it's a way of eating. You'll often hear people describe their keto diet as a lifestyle or way of eating. That's because it's not something you can stop and start like most other diets. In fact, going on and off keto can mess up your metabolism and confuse your body, possibly causing you to gain more. For keto to be effective in enhancing your health, you must be consistent and make it a permanent lifestyle change. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 10 warning signs that you're overtraining. That's it. That's all. See you next time.